So one of the objectives of getting this new driveway in place was to take care of this. And that is the rainfall on the driveway to be all that rainwater to be taken away from the garage. And as you notice, it's actually dry here underneath the eaves of the garage, and there's no puddles forming here on the sidewalk. And the rainwater is coming down and accumulating in this low level that we put into the concrete, and it is running off to the side of the house, where it will exit out to the backyard. So the engineering they did was what I wanted. It's worked out pretty good. It looks like it's worked out pretty good. If it had been the way it was before, this water would be all the way up into the garage at this point. So it's doing its job. Which I'm very delighted with. So the rain comes off of the hill there and runs around and is taken away from the house. Oh, it's the first chance we had with some rain to see how this was going to work out, and it's doing it just fine.